Today's project is ultra simple, just like these Renthal ultra low red anodized handlebars. The red doesn't go with much of the bike now, so what we're going to do is strip them down with some wire wool, give them a good polish up, and they should match in a lot better. Even though the sandpaper and the wire wool is working, I'm sure there's a better way than this. That has taken off loads of the anodizing. It looks really nice now. It's all kind of rough and ready, kind of that raw material. But what we're going to do next is, once we've done the whole thing, sand this down with a really high grade of sandpaper. That will make it look quite shiny. Then on top of that, we're going to hit it with some wire wool and hopefully some metal polish, and that will bring it up to make it look just like chrome. Now it's time to start the sanding process. We're going to do a wet sand with 400 grit and an 800 grit, and hopefully by the end of that we get the nice shiny finish we're looking for. That is looking better already, but I think we can get an even better finish if we stick a polishing wheel on the drill with some metal polish. Then we can really make this thing shine. Now these bars are polished up, they look lovely, much more in keeping with the bike. But yeah, thanks for watching, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.